Hey everyone, this is a Christmas ceiling fan song I came up with on December 6, 2012. So here it is. He stole Kiara was SMC Emperor ceiling fan from 1989. 52 inches and it's anti-brass. Got the motor housing, spinner motor, SMC moon brackets. Got the oak wood wicker blaze. Got the switch housing, schoolhouse like it. Poor James got the SMC boss, 3 speeds and is reversible. Also blow some great air. He stole Kiara was SMC Emperor Steel fan from 1997. 52 inches and it's Polish brass. Got the motor housing, spinner motor, heart brackets. Got the oak wood wicker blaze. Got the switch housing, schoolhouse like it. Poor James got the SMC boss, 3 speeds and is reversible. Also blow some great air. He stole Kiara was SMC Emperor Steel fan from 1988. 52 inches and it's chrome. Got the motor housing, spinner motor, blade badges. Got the oak wood wicker blaze. Got the switch housing, schoolhouse like it. Poor James got the SMC boss, 3 speeds and it's reversible. Also blow some great air. He stole Kiara was SMC Emperor Sailor fan from 1987. 52 inches and it's anti-brass. Got the motor housing, spinner motor, heart brackets. Got the oak wood wicker blaze. Got the switch housing, schoolhouse like it. Poor James got the SMC boss, 3 speeds and it's reversible. Also blow some great air. Even blows tons of air. Okay, this is a Christmas ceiling fan song I came up with. I took 2 Christmas songs, Jingle Bells and Joy to the World, and made it into He Stole Kiara's SMC Emperor ceiling fan. And I hope you enjoyed my singing video. Thanks for watching. More to come.